On the page number 31, the first line of the page is saying, the monitor is an output device. The monitor is an output device. We in the yesterday's class we see the touch screen. Now we are seeing the monitor. As we know, we discussed the input devices. From here, we are studying now the output devices. The monitor is an output device that displays information to the user. The monitor is an output device that displays information to the user. So, the most compact thin screen monitors are the LCD or the liquid crystal display screens, which can be mounted on a wall or on a shelf. So, the monitor is an output device because it will not take anything from us. It will take input from the keyboard and mouse. It will not take anything from us. So, for us, it's a output device because it just give us a display. It show us our results, show us our output in the form of video, images, text, or in the form of games. Games are also in the form of video. So that display information to the user. The most compact thin screen monitors. The thin screen monitors are the LCDs. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. The full form of LCD is written in your book on the page number 31 that it's a liquid crystal display. Now, these LCD screens, which can be mounted on a wall or on a shelf. So we can attach these screens on a wall, okay, like a photo. We can attach the pictures on the wall, hang the pictures on the wall. In the same way, we can mount this LCD on the wall or we can put it up on the shelf. So have CRT monitor. We have CRT monitor. So we know monitor is output device. So LCD means liquid crystal display. LCD means liquid crystal display. What does mean by liquid crystal display? In this screen, there is a liquid on the screen. When we touch, when we touch the LCD and when we press it, you can touch your screen right now and press it little bit. So the color of the screen will be changed at that side because there is a liquid inside that screen. That liquid is not like a water, it's some other liquid. But because of that liquid, the name of this thing is a LCD. So it's a liquid crystal display. No, we don't have test today. Then, first thing we got a liquid crystal display. Let me write the name because I will ask this question in the next class that what is the full form of LCD? So, the full form of the LCD is a liquid, let me write it here. It's a liquid crystal display. It's a liquid crystal display. And what else we have along with it? We have a CRT. If you see the picture, I will show you, but first I will write. It's a cathode ray tube. It's a cathode ray tube. Okay. So this is the CRT and this is the LCD. Both of these two pictures are on your screen. Where is the LCD? LCD is there. LCD is there. Where is CRT? Where is CRT? The CRT is there on the left hand side. If you notice one thing, they both have different names, LCD and CRT. There is one major difference. LCD is very thin. It's a thin screen. But CRT is very heavy. It's a heavy monitor. We can move LCD easily, but we can't move CRT easily. Okay, it's portable. We can pick it up and transfer it to some another place, but it's not easy to transfer this type of monitor. This one is the older one. Okay, so now we see the monitor. Monitor is an output device, and monitor just show us a things. Yesterday we discussed about the touch screens. For touch screens also show you the output, but touch screen are also the input at the same time. Where it is written, I am telling you this thing first for the information, because we all use touch screen in the mobile. At the same time they are taking information, and at the same time they are giving you the output. Okay, so see this, it is written over there in the page number 30 that touch screen monitor on an ATM or tablet or laptop can be considered both an input and output device, because for example you are typing a message on the mobile. So ultimately, at the same time you are typing, you are entering something, and at the same time you are viewing the message on the screen. So it's an input and output device. What? A touch screen. Touch screen of ATM or mobile or tablet or a laptop. So they are considered as an input and output device. But monitor, monitor is purely considered as a output device, because it just show the information. Because it's just show the information. So the thin screens are the LCDs one. The heavier one have the CRT. LCD doesn't have a body at the back, but CRT has a big body at the back side. Okay, so let's see. I will show you the picture. I will show you the picture of a CRT. Okay, so we are going to see the images. If you see the images, there are so many images. It has a body at the back. It has a body at the back. See, there is a body at the back. They are bulky. Bulky means heavy. They are heavy and bulky. They have much weight. It's not easy to move them. They are very much heavy. So these are the cathode ray tube. These are the CRT monitors. If you see, they are very heavy. Why they are heavy? Because they have a picture tube. It's a cathode ray tube. This one. This needs some space. This needs some space at the back. If you see this picture, let me click on that picture. If you see this picture is showing the back side of the monitor. It has a body. It has a body at the back, and that body is of picture tube. That tube technically called as a CRT. At the back side there is a body. It's a old monitor. These are the old monitor. So let's see the LCD monitor. So we got the LCD monitors. If you see the LCD monitors, they are lightweight. They doesn't have the body at the back, and they are easy to move. Any single person can move them easily. If you see, there are so many types of monitor, so many types of LCD monitors are available. See, they can be in the curve, they can be in this position, but one thing is that all of them are thin. All of them are very thin. They are easy to move. So they are called as the LCDs. It's a liquid crystal display. So we are again coming back to the book. So on the page number 31, we see the output device. The name of the output device is monitor. Yesterday we discussed about the touch screen. We discussed about the touch screen. Right now we see the monitor. Touch screen is input and output, both device. But monitor is just a output device. It's just a output device. So we see the monitor. Now we are moving towards the page number 32. We are moving towards the page number 32. On the page number 32, what we have? On the page number 32, we are now talking about the printer. We are now talking about the printer. What is printer? Printer is an input device or output device? What do you think? What do you think? Can anybody tell me? Printer is an input device or output device? You can send the answer in the chat. Mustafa Ahmad, you can send it here in the chat. Mustafa, you can send your question in the chat. Yamin Salah, Ziad Tamir, Mohammad Al Rashid, sorry, Yamin Salah, Ziad Tamir, Umar Al Hubi, Rakan, Umar Hani, Mohammad Ayman. All these students give the right answer. If I didn't take your name till now, kindly check your answer. The names which I take, only these students send the correct answer. Printer is a output. Yes, Ayman. You are right. Printer is a output device. It print outs. It prints. It prints. Yes, Yusuf, you are right. Printer is a device that transfer information out of the computer. So a printout of the data is called hard copy. So a printer is a device that transfers information out of the computer. A printer is a device that transfer information out of the computer. Okay, a printout of the data is called hard copy. A printer is a device that transfers information out of the computer. A printout of the data is called hard copy. A printout of the data is called hard copy. So when we print anything from the printer, we call it a printout, but technically it is called as a hard copy. Why do we call it a hard copy? Because we can touch it. The hardware, we can touch the hardware equipment. Hard copy means the things which can we can touch, like book. Okay, when we print the paper, we can't change it, we can't erase it, we can't modify it, but we can just see it. Okay. So a printout of the data is called hard copy. A printer is a device that transfers information out of the computer. So it's a output device. It's a output device. So the picture of the printer are there. There are so many types of printer. Some printers are color printer. Some printers are just print in black and in white color. So there are printer with the color. There are printers without the colors. Means they are just printing it with the black color. So many types of printers are available. Many types of printers are available. So printer is a output device. We see the second output device today. It's a printer. Let me write the spelling. Printer is a output device because it gives results outside. It will not take anything from us. It will take data from the computer. No, Yamin is asking it can also be input. No, it can't be. Why? Because we cannot give directly information to it. But the point is, Sometimes we can give information to the printer, but they are applied on the modern printers. We can give the input directly to the printer and we can print it with the help of Wi-Fi, or we can just connect the USB with the uh, printer and we can print it. But they are the modern printers. We are generally talking about the printers. That printers are the output devices. They print outs, they give you data, because with the help of computer, when you are using the printer with the computer, you can't give the input directly. You give input to computer through keyboard and mouse. So your input devices are mouse and keyboard, but the printer is getting the order from the computer. You are not giving, it's giving by the computer. You are giving the order through keyboard and mouse. So it's a output device. A printout of the data is called a hard copy. Printout of a data is called a hard copy. Okay, so let me erase the arrow on the screen. So we see about the touch screen in the yesterday's class. Touch screen is the input and output, both devices. Then we see the monitor, and then we see about the printer. In monitor, we see two things: the LCD, the screen which is very much thin, and we see the CRT, the second thing. It means it's a cathode ray tube. It means that it's a heavy body. It have a heavy body. We see about the printer, it printouts. We see about the printer, it printouts. Okay, Yami, that's great. So there is one more thing for the monitor. It's written over on the page number 31 at the end of the page. IBM's first PCs had monitors. IBM. IBM is the name of the company. IBM is the name of the company. What is the full form of IBM? Let me write the full form of the IBM here. The full form of IBM. IBM is, it's International Business Machines. So the full form of IBM is International Business Machines. So I have a less space. I'm moving it on the new line. Okay. So the full form of the IBM is International Business Machine. IBM's first PC. IBM first PC has a monitor which displayed everything, the text and the graphics, only in one color. Only in one color. So IBM, the International Business Machine, the full form is there of the company name. The IBM's first PC had monitors. Those monitors are so old that they can display the alphabets, numbers, and images, means the graphics, in one color only. They doesn't have the other colors because it's a older one. It's a older one. So what is the full form of IBM? It's an International Business Machines. You can write it in the book if you want to write. Okay, it's an International Business Machines. For example, if I ask you this question in the next class, okay, so you should know that what is the full form of IBM. The full form of IBM is International Business Machines. Okay, now we are moving to the page number 30. Everybody open the page number 30. Let me stop the sharing. Wait for a second. So everybody of you open the page number 30. Say yes or no.
Sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
So on the page number 30, on the page number 30, we have a question. On the page number 30, the question is saying about name the devices where touch screen are being used. So you have to tell the name of the devices of these devices. In all these devices, if you see, they are using the touch screens. They are using the touch screens. So we have five devices. We are at the page number 30. On the page number 30, what do we call that device? What do we call that device? Can anyone tell us what is the name of that device? You can send it answer in the chat. What is the name of this device? Let's see. Oh, that's good, Yamin. Sakshar. Yamin, Sakshar. And then we have Omar. Omar Hani. Okay. If you see, there are chairs at the back. There are some chairs at the back. There are some counters at the back. So this is not a computer inside a home. This is something else, like in the office or like in the bank, or this is something like this. Ah, good. So, very good. So, after Umar Hani, Muhammad Awal give the right answer. Very good. Muhammad, okay. Umar Ahmad, Yusuf, Yasin Ahmad, Zia Tamir, Rakan. So, the name is started with the A. The name is started with the A. It's very easy. Umar Al Khubi, very good. That's it. The name which I took all of all the students, they give the right answers. Okay. Very good, Sakshar. So it's a ATM. It's a ATM. So let's write the full form. Let's write the full form. It's a automatic. It's a automatic teller machine. It's a automatic teller machine, or we can say it's a ATM. So we write the name of this first machine. Okay. Now we are moving towards the next one. We are moving towards the next one. What is the name of this device with the help of which we can shoot video? With the help of this device, we can shoot video. Okay, we can shoot the video with this device. What do we call it? Okay, that's good, Ziyad Tamir. Excellent. Umar Ahmed, Naif, Rakan, Umar Nasir, Sakshar, Yusuf, Mohammad Awal, Yamin Salah. All these students till now send the correct answer in the chat. Omar Hani, Yahya Gulzar. So, very good. This is a device we use to shoot the video. We shoot the video with the help of this device. So, obviously, it's a camera. So, it's a video camera. Okay, because cameras, there are some cameras which can shoot just the pictures. Okay, so it's a video camera, and along with it we will add one more thing. It's a digital one. It's a digital video camera. It's a digital video camera. So it's a digital video camera. Now we are moving towards the third one. We are moving towards the third one. So what do we call it? What this girl is doing with this device? What is the name of this device? Ah, very good. That's great, Umar Ahmed, Umar Al Khubi, Rakan, Umar Ahmed, Umar Al Khubi, Naif, Sakshar, Yahya, Muhammad Awal. So in these pictures, two pictures have the same answers. Very good, Yasin. Yes, they are playing, Yazan, you are right. So, Omar Hani. Okay. So the answer of both these pictures, the answer of both these pictures are same. What do you think? The answer is same or not? The answer of this picture is tablet. The right answer is tablet. Very good. That's great. Omar Ahmad. Okay. So he is the first student who said yes, both of them are same. That's good. Okay. So the tablet is there. Same. Yahya Gulzar. So there are two pictures given. Both have the same tablet. Both are using the tablet in the pictures. So it's a tablet. It's just a tablet. So we see four devices. We see the ATM, we see the digital video camera, we see the tablet. Now we are moving towards the next one. The next device is very easy. We use it in a daily life. This is a smart one. What do we call it? It's a smart. This device is smart. What do we call it? This device is smart. Very good, knife. Knife picked the correct hand. It's This device is smart. Very nice. Umar Ahmad, Ziad Tamir, Yaya Gulzar, Sakshar. All these students pick the hint. It's a smart device. Umar Hani. Okay, that's great, knife. This device is smart. That's good, Yusuf. That's great. So the device is smart. But what is the device? So we write smart here. The device is smart, but no. But what is the device? The device is a phone. The device is a phone. So it's a smartphone. It's a smartphone. So the name of the devices are on the page. The names of the devices are on the page. So it's a smartphone. So everybody should has to write this on their books, and after writing, what do you have to do? After writing, you have to take a picture of this page. After writing the names of all the devices, take a picture of that page and send it to me on the mail in class light. Everybody should has to take a picture of this page after writing the names of the devices, and after writing it, take a picture, send it to mail on my class light. Okay. So there is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. There is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Okay, everybody open that assignment because time of the period is finished. We will meet in the next class, inshallah.